Hello people, Ms. Steph here, and guess what? I'm about to make some peep slime. Yes, peep slime. Peeps. Now, for those of you who do not know what peeps are, they are these things right here. This is my slime making receptacle, all right? I'm going to use the pink ones. I have some cooking oil here. I have food coloring. I'm also going to use some cornstarch at some point to minimize the stickiness. But yeah, I'll be right back. Hi, back. Now, I put these in the microwave. You might be able to tell how they've kind of changed consistency a little bit. Like you can visually tell how it looks like they've had to kind of puffed up. And so I put them in the microwave until they stopped puffing up. Like they rose and then started to go back down. And my container is warm to the touch. And so yeah, I'm just gonna keep rocking with this. This is not gonna be, I'm not gonna be on for like a really long time here. I just wanted to do this activity. This is actually inspired by my girl cousins. Hi cousins. And we were having a conversation, as family members do, about childhood and whatnot. And we kind of had dueling opinions about like who liked Peeps and who didn't like Peeps. And I was a didn't like Peep person because I like chocolate. I like stuff with chocolate in it. But I thought to myself, science. You know me. So I hear stuff and I think science. Okay. So I'm stirring these up. Stir. And as you see, like it goes, it breaks down very, very quickly. Very quickly. All right. And let's talk the science of it a little bit, right? So, my ring light kind of went out on us. Sorry, y'all. All right, so the science behind this, right? Come on now. The science behind this particular activity. Like I said, science behind this, some basics, right? You saw me put in a bit of the cooking oil. That's just so it'll not be too sticky, because even though this looks like it's like really shiny or whatever, trust me, because of the marshmallows, it's going to be very, 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 very sticky. The marshmallow is my base, so think of my marshmallow kind of almost like my glue in it. I'm not going to need an activator because I'm not going to need something to turn this into something stretchy and sticky, because it's already something stretchy and sticky. That's what marshmallows are. Marshmallows are mostly sugar. All right. You see it really has disintegrated, really just gone down. Keep mix. Okay. And then, like I said, I'm going to put in some cornstarch. See, there's my sticky. All right, let's see if this has gone too far. It may have gone past what's going to work well, y'all. We'll see. All right, so this video is not getting edited, guys, so just roll with me. I'm going to put in 1 scoop of cornstarch. Like I said, I have some microwaved Pink Peeps. Now I've got a scoop of cornstarch in here, microwave Pink Peeps, as well as, there we go. Y'all see it kind of coming together now. As well as some cooking oil. And then I threw in some purple food coloring because I like purple. Let's see how this is giving me this like slime-like consistency. So I made a slime-like thing. Now, the reason why I tend to not call things that are not made with glue and not turned into a polymer, right, slime, because it's a slime-like thing. We've not really done a chemical reaction. Now, we have changed the state of some of our compounds, but we didn't like create a new chemical. Okay? Right? All we did was melt our peeps. We didn't do a chemical reaction. Right? So, does anybody, see? Because of the oil that I put in there, I'm able to touch it. There we go. See. Okay. And it's stringy. Stringy. Now, I can really manipulate this. It's still warm. And one of the things that is going to happen with anything that's still warm is that it's really going to have trouble coming together. Usually you want things to be melted. You want it to be melted, but you want it to cool down to get it to make it so you can really play with it. Okay? You notice how when I started playing with it, the cornstarch was completely, I want to say absorbed, but absorbed is not really what's going on. Okay? Completely combined into the mixture. Okay? So I'm going to put y'all on pause for 2 seconds. So after a lot of kneading and adding two additional scoops of my cornstarch. Okay, I'm getting something that's a little bit more slime-like, and it's sticking together and can experience a pull, right? And so kneading it and all that type of stuff, as we know, is what makes slime become slime. But see, this is giving me a bit more of a putty situation, in my opinion. In my opinion, this is more putty than slime. So yeah, have fun with your peeps. This time of year, there are a lot of peeps around. Peeps, right? There are a lot of peeps around. They are coming in. I saw them in 3 colors in the location that I was in. I saw blue, pink, and yellow. So I invite you to pop them in the microwave with adult supervision, and definitely keep an eye on the progress. I put them on low in a microwave safe container, and I only cooked them for, I would say, definitely say less than 30 seconds. So yeah, I mean, definitely try it, see what happens. Woo, right? You notice that pull is improving. And I actually am not so big on a very sticky slime. It's weird. It feels sticky, yeah, but you notice because of the oil that I put inside of it, it's not sticking to my hands anymore. So I put in enough oil and enough cornstarch that it's not going to stick to my hands, and it's going to be something really fun to play with. Now, for those of you wondering if this is edible, because I used Peeps and I used oil and I used cornstarch, technically I did use food items, but I wouldn't suggest eating this. It's like not going to be, it's not toxic, but I wouldn't suggest eating it. I rarely suggest eating your science activities for various reasons, but you might want to try this. Have some fun with it. Thank you for joining me for this quick little pop-up. I know I haven't done a pop-up in a while, but folks, summer camp is coming. We've got a lot coming down the pipeline, so pop-ups and other things are coming your way. Be well and be blessed.